All right, so today we're going to talk about recursion. And recursion is something that if you're a computer science major, you're going to hit again and again because it's an important concept in computer science. Is it an important concept if you just want to create software? Not necessarily. Uh, on a side note, it's something I find pretty interesting because of the way it works. And it's also tends to be one of the more difficult concepts to grasp as a student because it's kind of, let's just say, odd or esoteric. So I'm going to try and make it a little bit more practical for you and give you some exposure to it. This module only has a sandbox challenge and no assignment. The reason for that is that I didn't feel like this concept was critical enough to the class and to what you want to learn in this class that I wanted to push it that hard to be an assignment. So the sandbox module will give you some exposure to it and let you play around with it. But if you decide, hey, I'm not there yet, or I'm not there right now, or I'll push this down the road until I take another class in computer science, that's okay too. Because this is what I would say is probably a more advanced concept in this class. And we're getting close to the point where we're going to be moving into our bigger projects at the end. And this is probably something I would say most people who develop software only use this every once in a while in a real world scenario, except for a very narrow set of folks who are writing code.